Happy equinox. I'm here with one of my favorite trees in the yard, and with the sunlight and the breeze and the birds. My cat is here too. I don't know if you can see her. I'm here blessing you on the equinox, encouraging you to come out to the light, come out into the yard and play, and inviting you to Monday and Tuesday's Qigong session, where we are going to attune our instruments to the frequency of peace and freedom as we stand in the center point between light and dark, winter and spring. And we will practice together as a global community to send our frequency of peace and freedom to our own bodies and our own health and to our families and our communities, and then we'll let it ripple out and radiate out into the global community, and we will cohere some of our resources and money, and we're going to collect it and send it to Doctors Without Borders to aid humanitarian effort on the ground in Ukraine. And I feel so honored and privileged to be in this circle with you. There will be new people joining us for this session. So our circle is going to get bigger these 2 days, right? And so I just want you to know, be prepared for that. And in that same invitation is to invite your friends. Bring a friend with you. It's always more fun with your friends. Okay, I'll see you either in the Monday session or in the Tuesday session or in the replay. Happy equinox, my loves. I'll see you soon.